Bro, this is hilarious, bro. Driver left my food to be crushed. Yo, listen. Listen. This. Look at the cars. This is like a timed event, bro. You got like 10 seconds to run down and get this, bro. That car is eyeing it, bro. Look, it got its lights on it, bro. God, dog. Can't make this up. This is where my order was delivered. Driver selected handed to customer. For reference, she dropped it directly in front of my apartment. Busy. Exit. Tip $5 on a $28 meal. It looks like nighttime. This looks like an annoying... What is this? Is this the garage? I know why this was done, bro. This is probably an annoying-ass garage. You gotta drive and find some parking. You probably have to get yourself a damn little ticket. Then you have to walk in, talk to the main security people, and the main security people have to tell you to go to the elevator. They'll let you up. Ba, 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 ba. That's 20 minutes right there. That's 20 minutes right there. Listen, I'm gonna say it like this, bro. All Uber Eats, DoorDash customers, or customers that want delivery, if your apartment requires a paragraph, because I don't know, this might not be the case for this, but if your apartment requires a paragraph of information on how to get to your apartment door, brother, you best select meet outside and meet my ass in the front of the lobby or wherever the hell, just in front of a door outside, bro. I don't care. Oh, but I paid for delivery. I want it at my door. Shut the fuck up. Don't. Stop. Pause. Stop right there. You know what I mean? My brother. The walk that you're going to have to do, maybe a couple flights of stairs if you're like floor 3, or just to get on the elevator and walk a little bit more. It's good for your health too. You know what I'm saying? Oh, but I paid so much for the food. Most of the money went to Uber. We got like $2 plus whatever tip you gave us. You know what I'm saying? Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Don't think we're out here profiteering off delivering this food to you. We trying to make our bills, bro. You know what I'm saying? Straight up, bro. Make my life easy. I make your life easy. You know? Very easy. Very simple. You know what I mean? Just saying, bro. Just said this is hilarious. You shouldn't do this. This is hilarious. This is... To add, I have 24/7 security. I asked him to let the driver in once she came to the door. She never came. I told her my room number and gave instructions. I have 24/7 security. I asked him to let the driver in. And you didn't bother to report, and you only left $5? I'm thinking you're making a lot of money, bro. 24/7 security? Like you have it or your apartment building has it? I'm just saying, bro. I ain't trying to rich shame. I ain't trying to rich shame. You know what I'm saying? I am, but I'm not. But I'm... Oh, here come all the police officers. Oh, it's a report, fam. Report him, bro. Report him, bro. Report him, bro. This is hilarious.